What's up, everybody? Big Herc 916. I just rolled up to the car show over here in Huntington Beach. Quarantine cruise. And look like it's lit. A lot of cars out here. A couple Chevelles clean. Let me go take a peek inside interior. Look like they got, you see the dash? Oh yeah, this thing is nice. Got the cool gauge cluster, integrated roll bar. LS3. Nice little wheel setup. And then behind it, you got another Chevelle. It's got a sick paint job. It looks like a big block in it. Another nice setup. Got the disc brakes in the back. Now this right here is sick. This Camaro looks like it's about the business. It's got the custom wide body. Oh, this is bad. This your car? It's badass, bro. What so is this all metal fabrication on here? This is sick. So what damn. What all did you have done to it?
I got a 3-inch wide body in the back, mini tubs, 15-inch rim, LS3 427 twin turbo.
Oh wow.
63, 67.
So did you build this for like half mile or like just the street or?
I just built it for fun with my dad pretty much.
That's dope, man. And you got like that with the whole integrated roll cage into the car?
Yeah.
What chassis is it?
I'm against the street. It's got big plates weld into the floor, and
I'm north of that driveway.
So it's got a full chassis on the bottom, but the roll cage is separate.
Okay. Yeah, that wide body is sick, man. I like that, man. It looks like it gives me that it just got that real aggressive stance, man. And I liked how you color coded the bumpers.
Yeah. Yeah, so actually I had to get 2 bumpers, cut them in half.
Oh shit!
Because the wide body, so I couldn't find one.
Oh wow! Because of 3 inches, huh?
Yeah, this is 2 bumpers.
That is dope, bro. You did a sick job on this. Twin turbo. That thing is nasty. Yeah. That thing is nasty.
I get my 63 panel moving pretty quick.
Look at that. That is sick. Wide body. Killing it. Look at this, you guys. This gauge cluster on this car is nasty. This is like straight from a, is this from a, like a, what is this, like a 16, 17 Camaro, the interior?
No, that's all custom.
It's all custom? I mean, it would trip me out because I'm looking at the knobs and everything looks like so modern, man. It's almost kind of threw me off like.
No, it's all one off.
This is sick. And this, what year?
71.
71.
Yeah.
Look at this, you guys. This thing is beautiful, man. This looks like it's like a SEMA car. Has this car been a SEMA?
It has been a SEMA.
The lines on this thing is beautiful, man. He did a sick job on this car. Super clean.
Man, we almost had Sean Smith. Like this. Dude, you gotta keep this.
A lot of Camaros, man. Camaro heaven in here. Look at this. Nice modern interior in this thing. Real comfy. What seats are these? Camaro? Nice and comfy, huh? I see you look like you got to lay back in there. Clean, clean. Old schools for days out here.
No, it's not.
Bel Air. This thing is shining. You can tell it's the driver. Got the disc brakes. Clean, original looking interior.
You remember?
Hey.
Hey, how you doing?
Good. I can see you back there hiding in the trunk.
Like being in the desert.
Hey, you ain't lying. I know. Get sunburn. Oh, look at this Bel Air. It's got a leather front spoiler. You guys take a look at that. Crazy, and it's Pro Charge. Pro Charger, AC.
This is badass, man.
It's got all the chrome. Has been like almost coppered, and it's a 5-speed custom TMI interior. Clean ass paint job. Great stance. Badass.
And when I accelerate, I can feel it in the pedal. And the guy said, oh, it might be your axle.
Yeah, usually if you feel it in the pedal,
Clean interior. 60. Look like 60, 69.
Can't do this at Supercar Sunday.